I'm doing this. What's up, guys? It's Neil Smith here. This is Narwhal speaking here, and this is just a test on PyCharm. My dad got this for me a few days ago. How many days ago was it? A week ago. So this is PyCharm. This is my computer therapy. I might sell this. Probably doubt it. And this is a run. Yep. See this part? It says run. Run.
Are you actually recording now?
Yeah.
All right, good. Okay. All right, so, yeah, run it.
Yeah. How are you feeling? And I said, good. Good. And then it said, good. And it said, why do you feel this way? And it's like, I love Fortnite. Fortnite. I'm actually trying to convince my dad to get me Fortnite. Explain your feelings. Fortnite is awesome, and it shall reign above everything else. Boom chakalaka. And then, by the way, here's your results. Good. A. I love Fortnite. And then C. Fortnite's awesome. And exit code 0. That's how you do it. And thank you for watching my video. Hope you liked my video. Sub to Narwhal. And peace out.